Welcome to the DT Video Podcast. Guaranteed quality has made the brand DT Spare Parts the leading brand in the international independent aftermarket for commercial vehicles. The complete range includes all required spare parts for trucks, trailers, and buses, including all standard gear shift knobs. Gear shift knobs are used to operate the manual or automatic gears in vehicles of all kinds. They are composed of an abrasion-resistant plastic, pleasant to the touch. Models for modern vehicles can include an integrated switching function for additional gear reduction of the primary gear and the range gear. This switching function can be electrical by means of switches or hydraulic with valves. In modern trucks and buses, the conventional gear shift lever is replaced by a joystick on the transmission tunnel. There are different systems. Electronics, which record the various driving parameters, such as speed and engine rotational speed, give the driver a shift recommendation via the display on the instrument panel. If the driver accepts the recommended gear, he only needs to press the clutch. The result is immeasurable fuel saving. A further version is the Electro-pneumatic shift. The choice of gear without shift recommendation is always performed by tapping the knob forwards or backwards. Special functions, such as the rocking free or maneuvering program, can be accessed directly via the shift paddles on the instrument panel. These modern gear shifts are installed in both mechanical as well as automatic gearboxes. They facilitate shifting considerably and lead to a fuel-saving driving style. The complete range of the brand DT Spare Parts contains all the products you require for the repair and servicing of commercial vehicles. You can find the suitable articles via, for example, the online quick search at dtspareparts.com and on the mobile website. Spare parts and catalogs can be obtained from your local specialist dealer. Subscribe to the newsletter Parts Info at newsletter.dtspareparts.com and always stay well informed. DT Spare Parts. Genuine quality, durable trust. Many thanks and till next time.